Okay, let's look at some of the pattern making classes. What is pattern making?
Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class. Pattern making is the blueprint of your garment. A pattern is used as a template to cut and sew the fabric for your garment. It also gives you the ability to understand how the pieces of a garment all fit together. Learning pattern making will make you a better designer. You will approach designing knowing how to achieve certain shapes, certain silhouettes that you wouldn't have known otherwise. Pattern making is the bridge between your ideas and production. You need a pattern in order to make a garment. Now, as I've mentioned before, there are several pattern making courses that I will cover in this course, okay? Now, this is your first one. This is the first pattern making course. We'll deal with some of the basic principles of pattern making, such as dot manipulation, and some of the techniques like pivoting and slashing and spreading. And your homework is to watch the videos and practice what you have learned. Use this information and apply it to your design. After watching these videos, you might want to adjust your design so that you can apply these techniques to your design and enhance your design by modifying it, right? Let's look at the first course, Pattern Making 1, and some of the classes, all right? See you in the next video.
Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.